Good morning, everyone. Rise and shine. Well, I am so happy right now. I can see the light, the sun. The clouds are getting brighter. So today is December 6th and it's Saturday. So I am happy today that I think the sun will be out because we have a plan today. We were going to our lot because we will be having our second time of harvest. We will gather the coconut, harvest that one, and sell. So, okay, I'm gonna prepare right now. Look what I had bought here. This is a scented candle. So I bought this one, and then this is 4 pieces. My favorite scent is where is the vanilla? Oh my god. Oh, not this one. Here. Oh no. Oh, here. This is my favorite one. Oh my god, I like the smells. Smells like milk, something like, oh, it's so addicting. So I already used this one. Look at this. It's, oh, put the fire here. Now this is 4 pieces, and I think I'm gonna give it away, the 3 pieces. If I'm gonna give the 3, I only have 1 left. This one, I will keep the vanilla. Oh, it's so good. So I think whoever wants this, the 2 pieces, I will give it to my mom or my sister. So 2 pieces only because I like the vanilla, and then I can't give this away. I already been using that one. I like the smell. And then since my mom and my sister will pick me up here, because we will harvest the coconut, so I am giving this away too. I have here 5 pieces because the rest I give it to my neighbor, and then we eat some. So I will give it to my sister and my mom because sharing is caring. Well, I love sharing. It's better to give than to receive, right? Look at here. Oh, this is a jackfruit from yesterday. I think you can still eat this one. Oh yeah.
Delivery. Hi, Tagbalay. Good morning. Sa manini. Ano, hala, kabuti pag pag-direct ko na. Guys, ako ano din. Hala, lagi mo. Oh, pupa. Pupa? Pupa. Oh, naghanap ka na.
Tagko lagi ning kupaha.
Na perten mo nga lagi ni.
Ah, dito sa luyo lagi? Gagmay man tutong. Una. Da pula kayo ang kupa. Ha? Hi guys, we're going to the bukid now. Mamuha sa kay Lobe guys, kay para namin 500 nga pag-notification na. At sarap may mapalitan ng 500 ay. Gani. Human po na human yun gani. Tamang nagtapok ya ha. Okay. Lagtap ko atong halin ron. Anak kong dis na taman. Dapat here. And thanks God that it's not raining today. The weather is so good today. What? What's that? Lakaya. Alaya. Oh my God. I like it. Oh, I can see the mountain. Oh my God. I am so in love with this kind of view. I'm always be a nature lover. Yeah, get some water ni Mami Laya. So this is now our second harvest. The first time that we harvested the coconut, It was last August, so today is the second time, but asa? Yeah. Murag bag-o manggod ni gikuan. Kaya itong pag-anhin nato kay daghan man to. Itong pag-anhin nato daghan gulang. Kinsa ka na unsa man ana? Wala pa man adong na. Ano ba? Kanang baboy? Baboy na. Ano hinlo man ana? Ulam pa sa mo. Ako pero. Kuskus, gadala mo kuskus. Daghan-daghan naman po di ay basit. Sin parehas na ito na. Asa? Ha? Sana all. Kana mabutong nga. Lami kay butong kaon. Ay man konji lain ug anan
Gahi, lay humok ane.
alang kutsara.
Sa humok ka, kaya ako anong gahi anong ka. Kanang humok, madala man anong kutsara.
Wow, pumitan na niya.
Tanan na lagi, oh.
Hi guys, mga guys.
Smoke. Hi guys. Si Mamila sa una ma kay content creator man na si Mamila.
Sana all.
Small sisi.
Kamon tita Gigi ma di pa man mo monetize si Mamila monetize na.
Pa si Jusil, monetize na. Lagi si Jusil, no? Nga undang naman sa ato.
Pero kanang
Iwan na sa bami, kaya ako mabuak ni. Iwan ba sa baw?
So bye guys, see you next video. Joke lang.
ang mga AI nga bawal na. Na butong?
Ala sakto kaayo oh.
Isa. Asag sundang.
Si ipataw ka ang sundong kay mga kan ko. Ala iya mo na mo nakuha dito ya?
Ha? Oh. Bantay mo, bantay. Kami na sa
Hawa ya.
tubig. Pag nag-check sila ako dagan ng
Ala ma magkarga man kakaglubi.
Hala, napay lubi mama.
Oh. We're home. Oh my god, my hair is very messy. And I did not change it. It was last August, yeah, our first harvest. Yeah. So we got 200 plus pieces of coconuts, and then much better before because the per piece is 17, 16. So it is very expensive before, but now the per piece of coconut is 13, so it's cheaper now, but that's okay. It is better that you will harvest it now, cause for sure if you won't harvest that one and just let it stay, there's just some people, so much better that we will going to harvest it even if the price is low now, because there is a time that the price of the coconut will be high and there's a time that it will be low, so that is fine. So I am glad now because we collected like exactly 642 pieces coconut, so per piece is 13 pesos. So we sold that one 642 times 13, so we sold that one, so the money that we have for the 642 pieces is 8,340, so is 8,346, so not bad, right? And then I am just so grateful to God. We bought a second lot. It's just right in front of the first lot where we bought. So the first lot and the second lot that we bought is just facing to each other. It's close to each other. So it is located in one place. So that's why we harvested a lot of coconuts now. And then, yes, we already divided the money. My mom and my sister. So I am just so glad. Thank you so much, dear God, for the harvest. So maybe next time after 4 months, I think. Yes. So thank you, Lord. 6:10. Gosh. So dark here in the plaza because tonight is the opening. Oh my God. Are you excited for the opening, yeah? Dark pa kayo ni. But later on, open ang lights.
Service and guiding light, a journey in life providing direction, giving hope, inspiration. We have the courage not only dream, but to push through our dreams. Inflammable becomes a reality. Tonight, together.
From the opening of lights and fireworks in the plaza, and then my God, we're standing there for I don't know, almost 2 hours, but then yeah, I didn't enjoy so much. It's something like we stand so much than enjoying the fireworks and opening of lights. Well, yeah, that fireworks was so quick, yeah. And then it's so funny because when they're opening the lights, the countdown, oh my God, the lights won't open totally. So when they try to turn it on, the light is not, it's like dim. I would say the light is not totally opening. It's dark. So I think it took how many seconds, and then yes, finally the light is on. It's very colorful and bright in the plaza now. Oh my God, we've been home like we're home. My God, it's already 9 something, and then we're having a hard time to find a trike to go home. And then I'm a bit upset because they didn't take us here in the gate. Just leave it. Just because there is a road there, not in the main road. There's a road that's under construction, so there's some part that it's closed. So it just dropped us there. Oh my God, we need to walk there to here. Oh my god. But my god, yeah. We've been standing for so long than enjoying the fireworks and lights. But still it was fun. It's been a long day, my god. So after we harvested the coconut, so you know, straight right to fireworks. Hello, good thing it's not raining. The weather's good today. So we're gonna sleep now. Thank you, dear God, for this wonderful day. Hi, look at my nails. Look at my nails. Oh, I got the nail extension for the very first time. For the very first time. So yesterday, December 8th, me and my neighbor, we went to the we went somewhere in the JK Beauty Lounge because we decided to make our nails pretty. I tried before the gel polish, so I try this now, so I know what it feels like. If it's so uncomfy or not. So I decided to, this is long, very long, but then I decided to cut this. So it won't be, so it's not so long. So we won't be having a hard time. I paid total 550 pesos. And then I give the one who do the nails 150 pesos for tip. And then, since we went there in the beauty lounge like afternoon, so there's a lot of customers. So it took us, it took us how many minutes, or me, I think I've been waiting for almost an hour because there's a lot of customers. So my toes is not totally finished. It's still dirty. But then I'm gonna go there downtown later because well, actually I love doing DIY or do it yourself because I want, I am not so fun on going to the, to clean my nails. I can do it on my own. I love doing it on my own, but then, I don't know. I just feel lazy now. So we decided to go somewhere. And then later I will go there downtown. For my nails, I will just get, oh my god, this is very dirty. So for my nails, I will get only the natural one. And then I'm so upset because yesterday when I came home, last night, oh my god, I don't know. I punched it on the door and look at that. It hurts me so much, and then I don't know what's happening. There is something. So it hurts a bit. Well, pamper po ta kanagsa, no? Manglaban ako. I think I'm gonna wash a laundry next month. Char. Just kidding. Magpaibog sa kumarang. Nakapalit kumarang. Gagmay man siya. Gagmay man siya, uy. But okay na ni siya. Kuha na ito, matambalan na itong kuha na ni. Craving. Gagmay siya, ulusok. Ikato mong marang na kuha. Nga unta. Palit na ako siya sa merkado. 50 pesos. Para matambalan ng kuan. Kaibog. Okay, nakamarang diri, wala na hinog. O pa na hinog, and then ang isa, macho hinog. Pag may kaglusok, pero okay ra. My feet, look at that. Oh, not so bad. It looks good. Right, so this is just a normal paint. So I paid 150 pesos. And I choose this color, so it will be matchy right here. Something like maroon, red maroon, or I don't know what is this color exactly. Matchy.